Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly use and add filters to your Canva projects from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys want to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Canva account and that you have a project opened up. So in my case, I have this dummy slideshow right here, and the idea is we could either click on the graphics button under elements, which I'll show you right now. So you want to navigate to the left hand side of the screen, and between design and text, you'll see that there's an option that's called elements. So from here, you basically want to select the graphics that you want to apply to the current slide that you're viewing, and you can do stuff like resize it, or let's actually undo this one real quick. You could even do a fading kind of effect. So there are many things that you guys can do. So some trial and error to see which design works well with your project. And yeah, that's basically it. Another thing that you guys can try is by doing the built-in filters that are natively supported by Canva under the record yourself function. So the record yourself function is actually in uploads. And when you guys go to click on record yourself, there should be an option to actually use the filters for your video or whatever you want, whatever overlay you want to apply the filter to. And yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.